How to earn money from Rumble. Hey guys, in today's video, we have an exciting topic for you. How to earn money from Rumble. If you're looking to monetize your video and diversify your income streams, Rumble could be the platform for you. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of the Rumble's monetization and how you can get started. First thing first, let's talk about what Rumble is. Rumble is a video sharing platform that allows creators to upload and monetize their content. It's often compared to YouTube, but it has its unique feature and benefits when it comes to money making. To begin your journey with Rumble, follow these steps. First, sign up. Create a Rumble account using your email or social media profile. Second, create your channel. Set up your channel and customize it with a profile picture and description. And third, upload videos. Start uploading your high quality videos to your channel. First of all, let's make a channel. Click on this icon and click on My Channel. If you have already a channel, you can post videos on it. But if you don't have a channel, scroll down and here click on Create Channel. Provide some information like your name, title and description. Select a thumbnail and a backsplash. So let's select a thumbnail for our channel. Provide URLs of your Facebook and Instagram, then click on Create. Once your channel is created, start uploading your videos. Make sure to make high quality content. Create engaging and high resolution videos that appeals to a broad audience. Post videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Use relevant keywords, titles and description to improve discoverability. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers to build a loyal fan base. Rumble typically pays creators on a monthly basis and you can choose from various payout options including PayPal and direct deposit. Keep in mind that the minimum payout threshold varies. When you upload your content to Rumble, you retain ownership of your videos, but Rumble gets the right to distribute and monetize them. In conclusion, Rumble can be a great platform to earn money from your videos, whether you are a seasoned content creator or just starting out. Rumble's monetization options can help you generate income while doing what you love. So why wait? Give Rumble a try and start earning money from your videos today. That's all for today's video on how to earn money from Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tutorials. If you have any question or want more information about Rumble, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.